Kids, get ready for some construction site fun. Subscribe now and stay tuned for exciting adventures ahead. Hold on tight, folks. A wild storm is approaching, and it's set to wreak havoc on our construction site. Oh dear, it seems like a flood has hit the construction site. The water is rising, and our construction team needs to act fast to tackle this new challenge.
Be careful. There's a hole around here somewhere.
Follow me.
The rising water poses a threat to the engines, and our construction team needs to take extra precautions to ensure the safety of their vehicles. Oh no! McQueen is in a tight spot! Let's get the rescue team to help him out of that tricky hole! Here comes the rescue team! Crane truck, you're up! Time to scoop McQueen out of that tight spot! Oh no, it seems the rescue team hasn't noticed McQueen yet. Let's hope they spot him soon.
Help me!
Oh no, I will do it right now.
A sturdy rope will certainly help in pulling McQueen out of the hole. The more hands on deck, the better. Let's call for additional help to ensure a smooth rescue for McQueen.
I can't do it.
Help me!
We come to help you. Thank you.
With a powerful team and coordinated efforts, there's no challenge too big. Nice! Our heroic rescue team has pulled off another successful operation.
I will take a bath.
Our cars
Thanks
are
for your
unstoppable, overcoming challenges, and always ready for the next adventure.
Oh my gosh! Why is it raining at this time?
Go! 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 Go!
It won't affect anything. I'll go quickly on time.
Help me!
A few minutes later.
Wait, what are you going?
I dreamed my brother had an accident.
Let's go!
Go! Go! Go!
5 minutes later.
Come on! Come on! Hey!
Hey, stop!
What are you going?
The road is flooded. How can you save your brother?
But I have to go save my brother.
First of all, we have to get down to business. Let's roll out. Transform!
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 Come on! Come on!
Please do not go this way.
Oh, and also, what was that?
Please avoid construction sites.
Okay, here we go. I come here. A few moments later.
Cement is coming.
Ten years later. The road is open again.
Bye, have a great time.
Brother, save me.
Are you hurt? What should I do?
Bing bang!
Much later.
Thank you very much.
Fix the road first, then you can save your brother.
So we make it up.
Let's go!
Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great time.
Okay, here we go.
Don't let personal matters ruin public affairs.
This bridge looks kind of shaky.
Oh my god!
Why isn't it moving?
Oh no!
Yo, 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 yo!
Help me!
Up you go! Hold on tight!
Oh yeah!
Let's get those logs. Nothing goes to waste.
Here, here! Thank you. Hey!
Oh my gosh!
Time to build a new bridge.
Meanwhile,
Hey! Stop playing! Emergency mission!
What's going on?
The bridge collapsed. We need to rebuild it now.
wake up, team. 5 minutes later.
Go, go, go!
Get ready to teleport. We've arrived!
Yo, 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 yo!
Come on! Come on!
Cement is coming.
Pouring cement. Glug, glug, glug. Okay already.
Bricks coming in.
Okay, here goes. The next day.
Thank you. Let's go!
Hooray! Bye, have a great time. Never overload a weak bridge. What a peaceful day.
Oh my gosh!
The bridge is on fire. This is dangerous. The wood's burning. Help!
Meanwhile, what? 10 years later.
It's action time.
Transform!
Firefighter, ready to roll.
Transform! Messy again. Oh dear.
Transform. Tow truck ready. Transform. I'll take care of everyone.
Transform! Please here, keep calm.
Let's go! Please! Help!
Help!
Hey! Water blast, go!
Thank you.
I'll take care of you.
Hey!
So messy, let me clean it up.
Come on, come on.
Hey!
Wooden bridges are dangerous. We need a strong steel bridge.
Call for reinforcements.
Okay, let's go.
20 minutes later.
Go, go, go!
Cement is coming.
1 hour later. Wow! Let me smooth the way.
Let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
Fancy! Bye!
Hulk is happily driving his tractor on this peaceful road. What a beautiful day. Uh-oh, the traffic light just turned red. Hulk has to stop and wait for the train.
Stop.
The truck behind is getting impatient.
There's a train
It's
coming.
honking loudly.
It's too dangerous.
The train isn't here yet.
What made the truck so angry that it crashed into the back of the tractor? It's a reminder that patience is important, especially on the road. Boom! The train crashes into the truck. What a massive impact.
Huh?
OMG. I
Hulk
have to
quickly
call
sees
for
the
help.
situation and runs to call for help, teaching us the importance of acting fast in emergencies.
Oh! There's an accident over there. I need everyone's help. There's a fire between a truck and a train. OMG. We're coming right away.
Hey,
There's an accident on the tracks. I need your help.
okay, we're coming right away.
The police and rescue team immediately received the call and arrived at the scene, showing how teamwork and quick action can save lives.
Help me! Help me!
The fire truck sprays water, putting out the flames. Once the fire is out, the crane starts rescuing the truck and the train.
Yahoo, thank you very much.
We need to fix the road and build a new bridge.
The rescue mission is complete. Now, we need to fix the tracks and build an overpass to ensure the safety of everyone using the road. Look, the truck full of bricks has arrived. They are carefully assembling each piece of the bridge.
Let's build a bridge!
The cement truck is doing the final steps to finish the bridge. The cement must be carefully spread for the bridge to be perfect.
We need to reinstall the tracks.
Adding the tracks is the final step. The vehicles move along the new bridge and tracks, ending a successful day.
We must
Patience
follow
and
traffic
teamwork
signals
create
when
a safer
crossing
world.
And never cut in between vehicles. I'll catch a big fish today and show it off. Wow, wow. Whoa, what's happening? Ah! Oh no, help me.
Wow! A giant shark is crawling onto the shore. Oh no! The shark hits the water bucket and sends it flying.
Rita!
Oh no!
Boom! The truck falls into the pond too.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Hello, accident at the fish pond. Cars fell, fish fell too. Got it. Crane truck, rescue truck, let's go.
Oh no!
Help me! Please drop the rope, crane truck.
Okay.
The crane starts pulling the truck out carefully. Next, the monster truck is lifted onto the rescue truck.
Okay.
My fish, they're not moving. Poor things. Let's build a new pond. We come here. Dumping sand.
The truck pours sand to fill up the old pond.
Rolling out.
Then the roller flattens the ground smoothly.
Okay.
The crane truck arrives and starts digging up the sand.
Brick by brick, almost done. Perfect cement mix coming up.
Okay.
Now the cement truck pours in fresh concrete. Wow! Layer by layer, bricks are stacked to form the new pond.
Okay.
Water come here.
Water is filled in, sparkling and clean. Finally, the crane brings the fish back and gently releases them into the pond.
Swim, my fishies! It's so wonderful.
Everyone is happily gathered around the new fish pond.
Don't play around dangerous places next time.
So boring.
Let's go. Whoa! Amazing!
Oh no.
No, no. god. No, no.
Oh no, that's terrible.
Oh no, what's going on? Please call for rescue. Hey, hello. Go to the construction, please. Hey, follow me.
Okay.
Please help them.
Help me.
Please help them.
Let me help you.
Oh no, it's dangerous. Try.
Oh, come on! Hooray! Hooray!
Oh no, help. Oh no. What? Oh no, must dissolve it.
Oh, yeah! Hooray! Hooray! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Okay.
Where is it?
Oh no!
So hurt.
Hey, what do we do next? Clean it up and fix it.
Okay.
Come on, guys, let's go!
Yeah!
We need more sand.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. Okay.